today we're making a battery box for the Honda Steed 400 chopper I'm building. So I started out by cleaning with the wire wheels, some 2mm inch plates, and made some marks on it where I was going to cut. Alright, it's my battery box. Just go down with it. Yeah, happy with it so far. Yeah, of course had a little trouble here and there, but it's all good now. Should be good. These two bolts are holding it on the frame, this one and these 14mm bolts, and this 13mm is holding this plate. So the battery, I'll make sure there's some rubber tubings, cushioning it inside, on the side, and down there, and then up here also have a rubber tubing so that it holds tight. This doesn't wobble like this. It holds tight, and it holds it in case you've dropped the bike or had it on its side, that it doesn't easily drop out. Yeah, that's it for the battery. Yeah, I had to weld those there, down there. I also add like a washer thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see inside. Make sure I have some holes so to drain some water. Yeah, so it didn't get flooded in. Oh yeah, so the battery box. Next up should be the cylindrical electronic stank. It's going to be under there, under the seat. Sits there, sits down, seat posts down. So yeah, should be doing that next. Need to go out and buy the cylindrical pipe, 5-inch diameter. That's what I need to be on the lookout for. All right. Otherwise, I got a fan in the shop as well. Kind of just saw the fumes coming from the welding machine, my stick welding machine. They say those fumes are dangerous to inhale in, so trying to take as much precaution as possible as I do my thing over here. Yeah. Health hazards. Yeah, health is important. Okay, these were the early stages of making the seat hinge slash pivot slash brackets for the seat. Alright, just a little update here. Yeah, on the 400 Steed, Honda Steed 400 chopper I'm building. That's where we at right now. Yeah, still on the frame. Actually got done with the frame. Welded the hardtail. The best of worlds. But they will hold. I'm very confident. These are seat posts. I had to go with a twisted bar metal, big size, that I cut to make those squared shelves kind of seat posts. That's what I had in the garage, so that's what I used. Yeah, down here is our battery box. Got done with it yesterday. No goods. That are in there. Had to get out of the way. Yeah, see it so far. This is what I was trying to do today. This is so the seat go here. Yeah, what I was trying to do today is make a seat hinge. For the saddle seat. Yeah. Yes, hard welded like this side sort of mounting to make it stronger. I'm going to weld another on this side. So this is supposed to be on here like this. Then get tied with these bolts and the others not there. Yeah. So I'm going to weld. These are probably one of my better welds. I'm getting better. We just try to clean them up and you see How good of worlds they look. Look at lights. Alright, well done. I welded the other part on the, yes, the front parts also finished. Better welds. Yeah. So then those are supposed to be brackets for Sissy bar down there. Hello guys, come back to my channel. Progress today with 400 Steed chopper build. Let's start from the front. Just did this this mounting plate, the headlight brackets yesterday. My welds are getting better. Look at that. Yeah, triangle headlight looks very good. What I went with. Yeah, the long forks. Yeah, and I finished the seat hinge pivots yesterday as well. You know, made it smaller. It was bulky, so very sturdy, very strong to take care of you know, the Ugandan roads, the Kampala roads that are rough usually. There we go. From the sea, this moves. It is stuck on. Still bolted hard over there. Losing it up to free it. But I haven't put bolts down here yet. I'll have those on there. Or maybe I could just have it like this with no bolts, because I don't see it moving up and down. However, I just tighten from there. But yeah, to keep it safe, maybe I'll have those bolts there and loosen up there. Yeah. So at the back here is brackets for Sissy bar that I'm going to make today. And on there. Yeah, nicely. This fender doesn't fit the tire. The tire is a little bit wide. Let's see from up there. A little bit of tire peeping out. I think it will do. I was thinking I could hold this 90-degree curve, maybe 45. Yeah, but yeah, try to. No, but I'm going to leave it like this. It's going to stay like this. Not so bad. Will do. Yeah, today we're making the CC bar. The tank needs some work as well. I need to clean it inside. It's rusty. Alright, let's go for today. Make that CC bar. So for the CC bar, this is what yeah, for the CC bar for this bike, I'm gonna go with sure, I made a little sketch here. It's gonna look like that. You know, have a smooth end and then go twisted from somewhere and then carve in, and have a devil's tail, demon, dragon tail kind of thing at the back. It's gonna be interesting. So yeah, that is this is the bars I'm going to use. They have dictated how it will turn out. So these twisted bars will be for the top part leading to the tail. Probably this will be the tail, the more twisted part, tail. And then this will be for the smooth side. I'll grind it down to be smooth. And that's my old Sissy bar, one of the earliest Sissy bar I started with. Very heavy twisted bar metal there. Too heavy. So yeah, let's go at it. Let's go at the Sissy bar.